If I told you that there was a quick way to earn $30 by the hour, would you believe me? Well, if your answer is no, then I highly suggest that you rethink that answer right away because in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $30 for every single image that you can color with a special tool that's going to be doing all of the work for you. It can even be $30 every 30 seconds because coloring an image with the use of our tool that we're going to be sharing with you guys later will only take you less than a minute. Just click a few buttons for 30 seconds straight and you're all done. Our method for today is super beginner friendly, so you don't need to be with someone with any skills or experience because you can do this as a complete beginner. It's free, so there are no investments to be made, no payments, no hidden fees, literally nothing. You can also do this method no matter where you are in the world. So it is available in all countries, which is absolutely great. As always, we're going to be walking you through today's whole method, and we're also going to be sharing some tips and tricks with you guys that can help triple your income. So make sure that you watch throughout this whole entire video from start to finish so that you won't get confused about today's method. And make sure that you don't skip a part so you don't miss any important details, because if you do miss important details, then chances are you won't get your desired results. Before we get right into today's video, if it's your first time in the channel, welcome to the Money Shark channel. In this channel, we upload videos on how to make money online so you can try them out for yourself and start making your own money. If you want to be a part of this channel, then don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of our Making Money Online journey and hit the notification bell beside it to be the first to know whenever we upload a brand new video. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. First thing we want you to do is go on Pexels.com. And to those who have never heard about this website before, it's basically a platform where you can get photos and videos and all sorts of digital stuff for completely free. So there's no copyright or anything like that. There are so many beautiful photos on here, as you can see, and these are all completely free for you to download and post and sell and literally use it however you want. As you can read on here, the best free stock photos, royalty-free images, and videos shared by creators. You can search for literally anything, and this website has a photo for it. Now what we want you to do is look up black and white photos on the search box right here, and then you're obviously going to see a ton of black and white photos, which is exactly what we're looking for. Now these are the photos that's going to get us paid our $30 every 30 seconds, and you're going to see how that's going to work in a bit. The next thing you want to do is open up Colorize.com, and this website is super brand new and unique and will help make you a lot of money. But as you can see, Colorize black and white photos with AI. So this tool is the tool that's going to be coloring our images for us. And that's basically going to be doing all of the work for us. So we wouldn't have to do any. It's a free app, so you're free to use this. And we're going to get more into depth with this app. But before that, to our newcomers, where are you guys from? We'd love to know. So make sure that you comment that down below and let us know what you love about the channel so far. Now let's continue. So how can you colorize a photo with this website? Well, it says here that step 1 is to prepare digital black and white photos. Colorize.com is an online colorizer designed for colorizing black and white images. It does not work on digital images in color. Before you use this tool, you need to have at least one digital old black and white image in your device. If you have old black and white photos in your album, you can digitize them with online photo scanners before uploading them to Colorize.com. Step 2 is to upload the black and white photos. Simply drag and drop an old black and white photo to this AI Colorizer and click on the upload icon to select a photo from your device. Colorize.com works best with photos less than 1200 by 1200 px. Exceeding the limit, your photos will be compressed automatically. So that's something to keep in mind when choosing your black and white photo. And step 3, download Colorized Photo for free. Colorize.com is 100% automatic and free to use. Click download button to save Colorized Photo, which will be deleted permanently on the website after 30 minutes. Isn't that great? This website is super easy to use. It'll literally only take you 3 steps to colorize a photo and in under a minute. Colorize.com is an AI-powered photo colorizer that simplifies the whole process of a colorizing job. With Colorize.com, you can colorize old photos 100% automatically. Powered by AI technology and deep learning, the AI photo colorizer can see in this sample allows you to colorize black and white photos, yellowish or gray image in just seconds. And you can see in this example that you can just drag this and you can colorize it automatically, and that is exactly what we're going to be doing. If you're enjoying this video so far, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time we upload a brand new video. Now let's continue. So go back to Pexels.com, and since we're already in the black and white photos search, we can just go ahead and choose any that we want here. So let's say this one right here, and we're gonna download it, and then you should have that downloaded straight into your device. And then you're gonna wanna go back to Colorize.com, drag that photo you had just downloaded from Pexels to this box over here, or you can upload a photo manually, whatever you want. Then as soon as you drag or you upload it on there, it automatically colorizes the photo, as you can see what it did just here. And you can see it side by side with the black and white photo, and there's already such a huge difference, which is crazy. Even I didn't think that this was possible, but apparently it is, and it's such a great invention, that's for sure. Then just download the photo by clicking download right here, and just like that, that's gonna download the photo easily into your computer, and there you have it. Now you can also open up remove.bg, and this is a website that offers background removing service that we can use to our advantage. Basically, you also upload the photos you want the backgrounds taken out of, and this website will do it using AI as well, just like Colorize.com, which means you won't have to do anything at all. Now it's time to get into our money-making website that's going to allow us to offer our background removing and colorizing services and pay us $30 per image that we colorize and backgrounds that we take out. So go ahead and open up Fiverr.com, and I know everyone knows this and their moms know about this, but basically you're going to look up colorizing photos and background photo removal as services. And you're going to see a lot of this service and a lot of high prices being paid for this. What you're going to do is create a Fiverr account and actually post your listing to remove backgrounds and colorize photos, and money will just be flowing into your PayPal account like it's nothing. So make sure you try this out, and that is basically everything. And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below to show your love and support for this video. Also, smash that subscribe button down below to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that either. And make sure to click the notification bell beside it to be the first to know when we upload a brand new video on how to make more money online through different methods. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.